Shubor Nongïalam jong Nongsan Hima.
Uba Sanbor Shullai uba labam smai kum menteri batamai ke sorkar MDA ula ong bagi Nongïalam ke BJP na Delhi kitip Kham yu ba ulale kum unong mikmat bat dei kani ke bapenlong ya keseng ban ibit yu ban simti kum menteri. Uba Sanbor ula ong ba warla ke Delhi ke jengai na Shillong hanrei ki Nongïalam na Delhi ki don ki khmat bat ki skor hak ba kitip mat yo sngo ya ki kam ki ba mau kum unong mikmat utrai. Habakali sepang kita kam bahakmat kum menteri ba Sanbor ula ong ba kumba ujutrai baro isi kata un peteng ban ai ke jing sekeri mentaru kum menteri sorkar. Habakali sepang serpi bat kilat kilenti ke ba mau unciem ban penitnat biang ya kene kawa ba Sanbor ula ong ba ka projek na ka benda kene kawa kaladon lupa hapo ke jingpek ketenat water resources bat kum unong mikmat bat menda kum menteri unang budin ya kani.
And then this sudden change came. Is it because of the decision of the central leadership?
Yes, that is true.
No, you can say so.
Yes. You see, we are national party, a disciplined party, so whatever directive given by the central high command, so we have to comply, we have to abide and respect that. That's what.
Have you spoken or was there any kind of arrangement that you have made with Bahek in this regard?
You have seen, you have heard what our honorable chief minister have highlighted what was happening earlier. Since we are only two on the government, then the time has come. Maybe the party from the high command they have consider to replace me in place of Bahek.
But
So I have.
was there any meeting? Any word from the center?
I cannot see because center they, you know, Delhi is quite far, but they are having eyes around Shillong, so they are looking what Sanbor is doing, what the party is doing. So based on that, I think they have considered.
So Ma, what will be your top priority? Taking this your new assignment.
Like I used to work for the constituency, for the state, the same thing I'll continue with the help and support of each and every one of you, especially from our beloved friend of the printing press and the printing electronic media and printing press.
One of the issue in your constituency and Shillong as a whole is the Sherpi river, which is so polluted. What is your priority on that as a minister
That
now?
too, you have seen from time to time I used to give my representation to the government. So the job it is being taken care by the concerned department, especially this water resource department. I had a series of meetings with the CE. So we are waiting for the fund.